Okay, today we are going to talk about this 5-in-1 welding machine. Let's take a look at its functions. It is a 5-in-1 welding machine. The first one is, of course, smooth and perfect welds. Next is the upgraded version of welding, fish scale welding. Do you feel that the power is too high? How to remedy it? Let me tell you, please read on. Next, we will replace a secret accessory, which is welding cleaning. As the name suggests, it is to clean your welds and make them more beautiful. Now that we are ready, let's start welding seam cleaning. Let's see the effect. Completely new look. This is a before and after comparison. The next step is battery welding. Before welding, you need to change the gun head accessories first. Replacement, we are ready to start welding. You can see that it is very solid and the quality is reliable. Next is the cleaning mode. As before, you need to replace the laser head accessories. This time, you need to replace not only the gun head, but also the lens. After replacing the accessories, you are ready to clean. Cleaning rust stains is easy. Next is the last cutting mode, or you need to change the laser head accessories first. Also perfectly cut. If you are also interested in our machines, please contact us and buy them.